Hello IDOS, this is Dipti. I'm HR and Admin Manager at International Industrial Springs. To align business growth and employees' growth together, we have decided to implement KRA and KPI in our organization. For this, we have came across with IDOS consultancy. We met Mr. Sailesh Oak. He guided us to have a systematic process approach to implement KRA and KPI. We have started our session by understanding the voice of customer, where we have discussed with each department owner, and Shailesh sir has detailed discussion with each department owner, and we understood what problems they are facing in day-to-day activities. Then we had a detailed discussion with top management, and we have Shailesh sir has given their inputs from what they have understood from the voice of customer. Depending upon that, we had done organizational changes to have systems and process implementation. Then again, next stage was to have JD's formation and KRA KPI formation, which has given us the better results to evaluate the JDs through formation of KRAs, which is given us the better idea where we are lagging, exactly what we need to improve, and it's really helping us to have a overall organizational growth along with the employees growth. So thank you very much for Shailesh sir and the IDOS team for helping us to implement this project within a timeline and in a systematic manner. Thank you so much.